Assembly Genetics, attention. Assembly Genetics. Now today's some GK question. Hello all of you. My name is Zaresh Kumar. I read in class 5. Now today's some GK question. My first question goes to class nursery. What is the color of your teeth? White is the right answer. My second question goes to class LKG. How many eyes do you have? 2 is the right answer. My third question goes to class UKG. How many days are there in a week? 7 is the right answer. My fourth question goes to class 1. Who is the present President of India? I repeat my question. Who is the present President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Srimati Draupadi Murmu is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 2. When is Army Day celebrated? 15 January is the right answer. My fifth question goes to class 3. How many angles does a triangle have? 3 is the right answer. My seventh question goes to class 4. Where is the capital of Japan? Tokyo is the right answer. My eighth question goes to class 5. What is the sum of all angles of a pentagon?
Repeat.
I repeat my question. What is the sum of all angles of a pentagon? This question passes to class 6. What is the sum of all angles of a pentagon? 540 degrees is the right answer. My ninth question goes to class 6. Who is the current election chief of India? I repeat my question. Who is the current election chief of India? To class 7. Rajiv Kumar is the right answer. My 10th question goes to class 7. Which part of flower protects it in body state? I repeat my question. Which part of flower protects it in body state? This question passes to class 8. Sepal is the right answer. My 11th question goes to class 8. What is the new name of Allahabad? Prayagraj is the right answer. My 12th question goes to class 9. Which country has the highest number of lakes in world? I repeat my question. Which country has the highest number of lakes in world? My 13th question goes to class 10. In which country most number of languages is spoken? I repeat my question. In which country most number of languages is spoken? Indonesia is the right answer. My last question goes to class 1 to 10. Who is the first bowler to take 50 wickets in Test in 2024? Jasprit Bumrah is the right answer. Thank you.